Hazrat Abu Umama bin Sahal bin Hunayf reports that he heard from Hazrat Muawiyah bin Abu Sufyan when he, the former, was sitting on the pulpit. The Muazzin, while making the call to the prayer, said, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest. Hazrat Muawiyah said, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest. He said, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. I testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu said, and I also testify. He said, Ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. I testify that undoubtedly Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is Allah's apostle. Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu said, and I also testify. When the call of the prayer gets completed, he said, O people, I have heard the same from Allah's apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, what you have heard from me while responding to the call to the prayer of the Muazzin in this meeting. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 914.